So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Chromebook is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. One of the biggest things to keep in mind here though is that if you're currently, experiencing some sort of power issue with your Chromebook, I'd recommend trying to go through and trying to restart the Chromebook. A simple restart of just holding down that button can end up fixing a lot of problems that you probably wouldn't even really think about. So try restarting that Chromebook by holding down that button and restarting it, and that could be another way to kind of fix this problem. You can also try going through and double checking that particular wired connection as well, because if your wired connection isn't good, or if you're having problems with the actual power adapter, that can also be another issue that you might have, you might have to go through and kind of double check as well. So just go through, double check that wired connection, and that can also be another really simple, quick thing to do that you can go ahead and fix that problem as well. Now, if none of those things are working, you might want to go through and see exactly what the problem you're experiencing is. If it's some sort of reason like your Chromebook's just not powering on, you might want to double check that battery. If you have some sort of way of contacting Google or having like an IT administrator like kind of look at that battery, double check that battery, double check making sure that battery is fully connected. If none of those things seem to be the problem, there might be an issue with the chipsets inside of the Chromebook. Sometimes you might have to contact Google and have them take a look at that particular Chromebook as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go ahead and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.